when you have a great community like Fairfax County, we want to give people the opportunities to be a part of that community. GED program in the Sheriff's Department has enabled many of these young people, one, to have hope, to move forward, and two, they can go home to their children and say, I have my GED, I'm now moving forward to get my college degree, I expect nothing less from you. Programs like this are good, one, as a diversion to come back here because they don't want to come back here, and two, it gives them a little opportunity, a little hope to move forward.
You know, you pretty much can't do anything in especially Fairfax County without at least a high school graduation or a degree or a GED. It's just a basic level of education that employers require, and being able to take advantage of, this opportunity here in the jail. If you're in jail, that's not a good thing, but on the other hand, take advantage of opportunities to be able to get an education, to be able to then improve your outcome once you are back out into the community.
I think it's a great partnership between the county and Fairfax County Schools that shows us working together for the betterment of our community. Every community needs hope, and we need hope in every place in our community. And whether it's in our schools or here in the Adult Detention Center, we're sending a message that Fairfax County is about hope for every resident and the opportunity to have a better life through education. And this is a county that has always, at every stage of life, invested in the education of its people.
I am extremely proud of our graduates today, many of whom never thought they would come to jail and be able to get their education here. We're in the business of re-entry. We are not the ones who punish folks. We're in the business of ensuring that, again, second chances, third chances, and to be able to help one realize that they can succeed, they can do something, they can make something of themselves, and giving them the support and encouragement. And with today's event, the number of people that showed up to offer support, it just doesn't get any better than that.